Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Akwins Kaunda. I'm glad that you are back again. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome and kindly don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download good conduct certificate on eCitizen portal using your mobile phone. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Then search eCitizen login. Then click eCitizen, the first link. Click sign in. Enter your email address or ID number. Enter your password. Click login. Scroll down to Directorate of Criminal Investigation. Click there. Then scroll down to Certificate Generated. Click the blue writings. Then click download. Confirm. Download again. You are done. This is your police clearance certificate.